Amazon FBA versus FBM Calculator. Amazon calculators break down key metrics such as storage fees, shipping costs, referral fees, and net profit margins for both FBA and FBM methods. By entering your product's dimensions, price, and shipping details, the calculator instantly shows which option yields higher profitability and efficiency for your specific product. With FBA, Amazon handles storage, packing, and delivery, but charges fulfillment and storage fees. This often results in higher overall costs but can lead to more sales because products become Prime eligible and ship faster. With FBM, you manage shipping and customer service yourself, which may reduce expenses but requires more time and effort. The calculator helps visualize these trade-offs clearly so you can make data-driven decisions. In real-world use, experienced sellers rely on the FBA and FBM calculator to determine the most cost-effective fulfillment method for each product. For lightweight, fast-moving items, FBA is usually more profitable due to Prime exposure. However, for bulky, slow-selling, or seasonal items, FBM may save more money in storage and handling fees. This insight helps sellers maximize profits and balance convenience with control. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to its built-in FBA versus FBM calculator and other tools to help you make smarter data-driven Amazon selling decisions at no cost.